Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a taco chicken rice bake with queso, and I'll be starting off with 2 chicken breasts that I've diced into bite-sized pieces, and I'll be adding on 1 packet of taco seasoning and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Once the chicken has been coated in the taco seasonings, it gets placed in the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. Next in goes 2 7-ounce boxes of yellow Spanish rice, along with the seasoning packets that come with the rice. 1 cup of your favorite kind of salsa. Next in, I'll be adding 1 diced onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 green bell pepper. And then finally, I'll be adding in 4 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. I'm going to gently give this a quick little stir just to help distribute the vegetables and the seasoning from the rice before covering it with a sheet of aluminum foil. This is now ready to go into a 350 degree preheated oven where it's going to bake for about 45 to 50 minutes or until the chicken is cooked all the way through and the rice has absorbed all of the chicken broth. Once this came out of the oven, I allowed it to sit for about 5 minutes on the counter while I warmed up 16 ounces of queso dip and then added it to the top. Now I will say it took about an hour and a half to bake and it still didn't quite absorb all the water, but while it sits in the refrigerator overnight, the rice will continue soaking all that up. The rice is cooked all the way through, as is the chicken, so now all I have left to do is try it out and see what it tastes like. This is an excellent dish. It's got a lot of bold flavors from the different seasoning packs that I added into it. The rice is perfectly cooked. There's a little bit of heat from the salsa and the queso dip. And I do really like the queso dip here. It adds a nice creamy cheesiness. Overall, definitely going to be making this one again. I really do enjoy it. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.